Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800 plus rare cam set. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. But firstly, before we take off the foil, let's take a look at the original box. Firstly, on the front of the box we've got the picture of the camera, its name and what this camera offers. So this camera offers us 4K Ultra HD video, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, app enabled and optional rear camera. Now let's take a look at the back. Right here we've got more info, for example model, product, type, resolution, item dimensions, and some info about manufacturer, address, etc. Now take a look at the sides. Again we've got the info about 4K, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, app and camera rear, that is optional, and that's basically it about the box. Now let me tear the foil. Okay, now when it's done, we can proceed with the unboxing. It doesn't come very easily. Okay. Now the top of the box is off. Firstly, we've got two boxes. I suppose this box has the camera in it and this box has cables. Let's check this box firstly. And as I thought, there is the long cable, thanks to which we can connect the rear camera with the front camera. Then there's the second cable that is also long. I think thanks to this cable we can plug the camera to power supply. Let's take a look at the next cables. Here is a device that we can connect to the camera holder. Next we've got the power supply adapter. And in the end we've got the pieces to camera holder to glue it to front windshield, I suppose. Now let's take a look on the other box. And as you can see right here, we've got the front camera, and rear camera. Also, as you can see, we've got this envelope right here that we can open, and right here we can find some stickers. Also, on the sticker we've got the installation manual, how to install our dashcam to front windshield. and the second one. Also we got 2 more stickers, also with installation guide. Then we've got this user manual with the product overview, functions, installation, connecting to power supply, adjusting the dashcam angle, and many more. In the end, we've got this larger user manual in different languages. And that's basically it for the unboxing of this camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.